The 2025 Audi A5 features a sophisticated design and a variety of body types, including a coupe, convertible, cabriolet, and four-door sportback. The Audi A5 is known for its sleek and futuristic appearance, which includes the iconic Audi single-frame grille, crisp lines, and LED headlights. Audi also offers performance variants such as the Audi S5 and the high-performance RS5, which have higher power and sport-tuned suspensions. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is frequently available on A5 variants, which improves traction and stability. Audi A5 interiors are admired for their high-quality materials and innovative technology features. Audi's MMI infotainment system is normally standard, with options for virtual cockpit displays and luxury audio systems. The Audi A5's major competitors are the BMW 4 Series, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and Lexus RC. The BMW 4 Series provides a dynamic driving experience and a wide range of powertrain options. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class is well known for its sophisticated interior and innovative technology features. The Lexus RC is a stylish and dependable choice in its category. Depending on your choices and standards, you may also want to examine the Infiniti Q60 and the Acura TLX as alternatives to the Audi A5. The A5's interior makes everybody proud of its excellence while still being attractive and modern. The leather-wrapped steering wheel lacks power adjustment, the small seat bottoms are made comfy by manually extending the leg supports, and the armrest scant padding reminds purchasers that more sumptuous Audis are further up the food and financial chains. Audi upgrades the A5 with digital capabilities, particularly in higher trim levels. The 10.1-inch touchscreen at the top of the dashboard controls all of the main functions, including Bluetooth, USB, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The navigation package includes a trial period for additional services such as Amazon Alexa integration, traffic statistics, Audi App Store connectivity, and a wireless hotspot. A5 models include customizable ambient lighting, allowing you to establish the scene with various color selections. The Audi A5 has comfy and supportive seats, with heating and ventilation options in the front. The coupe version has limited rear seat capacity, but the Sportback has more. There's plenty of storage space, with a glove box, center console, and door pockets. The A5 Sportback's hatchback form allows for more cargo room. The A5 Sportback engine produces 201 horsepower quad-turbo, while the coupe and cabriolet variants come standard with a 261 horsepower turbo quad. The S model has a turbocharged V6 engine with 349 horsepower, while the RS model has a twin-turbo V6 engine with 444 horsepower. The two Turbo 4s give rapid acceleration and seamless transitions into the highway. Audi S and RS vehicles are highly quick. The RS5 Sportback is estimated to take 3.8 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The two offered transmissions operate smoothly and rapidly. The A5 Sportback models have rather respectable fuel mileage for the segment, at 24 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway, with estimates decreasing in versions with alternative engines. Other Sportback versions have ratings ranging from 24 and 32 to 18 and 25 miles per gallon in the city and on the highway. Audi A5 Coupe versions get 24 and 32 to 18 and 26 miles per gallon in the city and on the highway, while Cabriolet variants get 24 and 31 to 21 and 28 miles per gallon in the city and on the highway. The 2025 Audi A5's primary safety features include adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and others. Audi also uses modern structural engineering and materials to improve the vehicle's safety in case of a collision.